Hello, I'm Joey from ClearTechInfo.com. I will be reviewing the Kodak Zi8 pocket camera. Here is the box. The contents are manual. Comes with the CD-ROM with video editing software. Connectors to connect to the camera. Plug it into a standard RCA connection, just like an old VCR, and an HDMI connection, a wrist strap, and a charger. The charger will connect to the wall, of course, and you could also charge it via USB, straight to your computer, desktop, laptop, doesn't matter. And of course, the Pocket Zi8 camcorder. I'll show you how it compares in size to something you might have around the household, like a soda can, a stick of gum, and a quarter. There it is, compared to a soda can. A stick of gum. And a quarter. The camera itself is a little bit bulkier than other pocket camcorders, but the reason I purchased it mainly was for the recording quality. It's one of the very, very few pocket camcorders out there that actually records in full 1080p resolution, which is 1920 by 1080. It also could take pretty decent 5 megapixel snapshots. Has a built-in SD card. Actually has a built-in SD card reader. And it takes SDHC cards, secure digital high capacity cards, which is not included with the player, does not come with one. And when you purchase one, be sure to purchase an SD card with it, or else you will not be able to record for more than a second or two of HD video. So an SD card is a must-have. And it takes up to a 32 gig SD card. For those of you like me who tend to lose their different cords for various devices, I own many, and I mix and match. Sometimes they don't fit with each other, and I just lose them and have to buy another one. It comes with a built-in USB connector. I just shown you the actual connectors, HDMI and RCA connectors. So it connects to both, old school and new. It has a standard 1/4 inch tripod mount, which is the standard mount on all regular sized camcorders and a lot of digital cameras. The battery is removable, just like your cell phone. In case you go on a trip, you could always purchase extras. So in case you run out, you could just pop in another battery. Has a built-in microphone connector. So in case you don't like the microphone on here, which it is decent but not that great, you could always connect your external microphone. Or you could connect a wireless mic to here. This has built-in image stabilization, which is a start because most or all Pocket HD camcorders do not have any type of built-in stabilization. It works okay, but it still could improve. The three areas in which I think this could improve on is number one, recording in low light conditions. I believe it should be improved just a little bit so it can record better in low light conditions. Also, stabilization, that could be improved a little bit better. And third is optical zoom. It doesn't have any, like all pocket camcorders out there. I would love an optical zoom on something that's this size. If you have any questions about the Kodak Zi8 pocket camcorder, feel free to go to ClearTechInfo and search for the article associated with this video.